Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all doing great. It's your boy Tej with
Tita, welcome to our YouTube channel, guys. So as you can see by the title of the video, who can cook better? Is it Haiti or India? So today, guys, we are no chefs, so this is for entertainment purposes only. So we're both gonna choose to cook something from our culture, something that we like. So we're gonna present what we're gonna do, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's get to what Tej wants to do. Chef Tej, what do we have today?
we have some chicken legs, onions, tomatoes, and some basmati rice. So I'm gonna cook curry chicken with rice. It's very famous in India. So I'm gonna cook my signature dish, curry chicken and rice. Chef Tita, what we got today?
So today we have this chicken leg straight that we're gonna separate in half. I'm gonna get half, he's gonna get half. And right here I got some cabbage and then some green onions, some peppers, some carrots and some plantain. So I will be making Haitian pickles with fried plantain and fried chicken, which we call griot. So usually griot, people use any type of meat that you want. So today I prefer to use chicken, and that's what we're gonna do. Griot is very famous in Haiti, so yeah. Alright guys, so all our ingredients are ready and we're ready to cook. And I think we're gonna have at least an hour to make this, and we're gonna insert little clips of what we're doing. So we want you to be involved in this video. We don't have any judge, and we want you to be the judge of this video. So we want you to comment down below after watching the entire video. Let us know which food would you prefer to try and which one stand out to you the most. I know you can't taste the food, but you can judge the food based on the look.
So comment down below guys and tell us which food you want to try, Indian food or Haitian food.
So guys, the clock is ticking, baby.
Let's go, I'm ready.
Ready? Oh, that's how we do it. That's how we do it.
Tita,
Yes, chef.
what are you doing with the chicken?
So I am now removing the skin and the vein inside the chicken, and then I am seasoning it. I put it in salt, vinegar, and some lemon.
So after that, after seasoning, what are you gonna do? You're gonna fry it?
After seasoning, I will sanitize the chicken with hot water, and I will put it boiled a little bit. Then I will fry my chicken.
Oh damn it. Good luck.
Thank you. Rinse it, obviously. Right now, I'm gonna put some hot water on it. So I call this.
So why do you put hot water to open like skin of the chicken?
I put hot water to season the chicken, not on to sanitize it, because you don't know where they pack them and if the environment is clean. So hot water is good for that. And another thing is hot water kind of make it cooked a little bit, and it should come out like this, white like this. Then I'm gonna make some Haitian épices, and then we're gonna put it all over. All right, Chef Tej, I see a lot of mixing. What do we have here?
So I'm mixing the onion with tomatoes, right? Then I'm gonna make a gravy with chicken. The chicken which we are seasoning, I'm gonna put inside after the onions are fully cooked, and then I'm gonna make the gravy. You can see the color already. Color is good.
That's beautiful. All right, Tej, what is the next process?
Look, the gravy is already cooking, boiling.
That's
right,
beautiful.
boiling out. Then I'm gonna add some chicken in it, and then I'm gonna mix the chicken with the gravy so that each and every part of chicken got mixed with gravy. And then I'm gonna let it cook for like 20 minutes at least to make it well done.
All right, Chef, we'll check on you later.
What are you up to now?
All right, Chef, I am squeezing the chicken out of the hot water, removing all the water in it. So right now I have some homemade épices, which is over here.
Like it has all the spices in it?
So this one, it has green onions, garlic, onions, all type of
So basically,
like,
a mixture of all the spices, right?
yes. And then right now I will put some lemon juice, and then I'll Goya season is my favorite. And then what's my heat? And then this. So this is how we season chicken. And I'm gonna put it boil. I'm gonna put some butter on top and then let it cook. And I'm done slicing my cabbage. It's time to do the same thing to the carrots and onions.
So like after slicing everything, like what are you gonna put inside?
So I'm gonna put my seasoning like salt, little bit of acid.
What is this, Tita? I know it's plantain, but like, how are you gonna make it?
So I'm peeling the plantain. After I will fry them up.
Chef Tita, is the plantain now cooked?
Right now, we usually do double frying for the plantain. So the first time I already fry it. Right, the second time, this is what we do. On a clean surface and a hard surface, you have two plates. You can either have two plates. I only have this hard plate. And we press it.
So you're trying to make it flat.
Yes, and you have that flat looking shape.
And what is this yellow looking here? This one.
This is the seasoning water to give the plantain a flavor. So right here I have water, salt, and Goya seasoning, and a little bit of vinegar and a little bit of lemon juice.
Okay.
So I press it like that to have that shape, and then dip it in the water. So what we do, we put them in the water like this. So this is how we give it salt. We put salt in it, and then take it out.
And then double fry it, right?
Then fry it again. I hope you guys ready to judge this food. You guys gonna be Gordon Ramsay.
So guys, finally the food is ready.
And guys, after an hour and a half, cooking and frying, and then now I'm all looking greasy, but it's time for you guys to see the final result. And I'm not saying that you guys should pick a winner, but give your honest.
You should.
Okay, give your honest opinion. Like which one that stand out the most to you, based on the look and what you think it tastes like, and presentation as well. Okay. All right. Time for Tej to present his food. All right, Chef Tej, what do we have here today?
So after two hours of hard work, I have basmati rice with a little bit of cilantro on top and curry chicken. You can see the color. If you go to any of the Indian restaurant, you will see the same. Because it took me 2 hours to cook it properly, like fully cooked. I like fully cooked, so that's why it takes a lot of time.
That's beautiful.
Thank you. Chef Tita, what we got in tonight?
So today we have the Haitian Griot that I say at the beginning that I was gonna make. So right now we have the fried chicken and fried plantain and a little bit of lava pickles. So this is the most famous dish in Haiti. So if you say that you come into my house, the first thing that I would want you to try is this. So guys, in the comment section, rate me and tell me what do you think about my presentation and what do you think it tastes like. And thank you.
Final step, we're gonna taste each other's food. Tita gonna taste mine. I'm gonna taste Tita.
Okay, sure. Alright.
First of all, I'm gonna try plantain chips.
It's not called plantain chips. Gravy is good. Looking good. Let's mix it with the rice. Let's see. You know, I have an eating problem. When I'm eating, the food is good, I eat. Okay. Time to try the chicken. Well cooked.
Sorry. My mouth vodka is so good. Best. Good.
Very good.
10 out of 10 for the food. Your dedication and your hard work shows. Oh my god.
Well done. The only thing I would say.
What would you say?
The only thing I would. Only thing I would say is the sauce is a little bit spicy, but it's very good.
Normal Indian kitchen. Spicy. That's normal.
It's very good. It's up to you now, judges.
Comment below. Let us know
Is it?
which one you're gonna try and which one you will make and try it.
Is it India?
No, it's
Haiti.
Haiti.
We're waiting for India comments. Comment India and comment Haiti.
See you in another video.